In this video we will see how to set permissions in our program Nios4. We set permissions so that our agents will see only their data and not those of other people. We go on options, we select users categories, and we add a new category. This one will serve to create a new group of users who will have the same permissions. Now, we add our users. We will share the database with two cloud users by inserting their email and their category as agents. The users will receive an email in which they are informed that they can access this database. In case they don't have an account inside the email, they will find a link that leads them to the guided procedure to create a new one. Our new users will be able to access the database, but they will see nothing, because we did not add to the database objects their category. We have to add it to both sections and tables so that they can visualize, edit and synchronize the data. Permissions will have to be set for all objects of the program, so even reports, scripts, prints, etc. Now, our agents can see and modify all customer data, independently from whom has inserted them. To allow every agent to see only his data, it's necessary to eliminate the category from Synchronize and leave it in Visualize, based on user. By creating a new record, it is possible to select the user that can visualize and modify from the specifically list. With this permission configuration, the user's admin can see and download everything, while the agents can see only the data, assigned or created directly by them. Thank you for the attention. Write us if you have any question, and see you soon.